The Sangha Sikimia is very happy that this year it could organize this Mynsiem in a very big way. As all of you might have been aware that in 2020 we could not organize this Thanksgiving dance as it was being affected by the COVID-19. So the next year, that is in 2021, we could organize in a very small way. However, this year we are very happy that the state government has allowed us to organize this in a very grand way. We would like to express our thanks and gratitude to the state government for giving us a permission to organize this Thanksgiving dance. This Thanksgiving dance is we express our gratitude to God Almighty for the abundant blessing that He has given to us. At the same time, we seek His blessing in the days and years to come.
How many participants, how many dancers they have come in this year?
The number of dancers on the first day is around 200. Yesterday, the second day, around 400 plus, and we are expecting thousands of dancers today, which is the final day.